Imagine a hacker inside your network, undetected, moving from one system to another because you trusted them once. Scary, right? Well, that's how traditional security works. But what if we could stop trusting anyone and verify everything before allowing access? That's the promise of Zero Trust Security. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel, where we simplify cybersecurity, and today we're diving deep into Zero Trust Security, what it is, why it's critical for businesses today, and how you can implement it. Stick around, because this topic could save your systems from the next big cyber breach. So, let's start with the basics. What is Zero Trust? Unlike traditional cybersecurity models that assume everything inside the network is safe, Zero Trust operates on this simple principle: never trust, always verify. Verify every user, verify every device, verify every connection. In traditional models, it's like guarding the castle with a moat. You protect the perimeter, but once someone's inside, they're trusted. Zero Trust flips that idea. You treat everyone as a potential threat, whether they're outside or inside your network. It's like checking IDs at every room inside a building, not just at the entrance. Everyone has to prove they belong there. Here's why Zero Trust is more important than ever. With remote work, cloud services, and cyber criminals getting smarter, relying on perimeter security just doesn't cut it anymore. Take the SolarWinds attack, for example. Hackers gained trusted access to systems and moved laterally across networks undetected, causing a breach that impacted thousands of organizations. Zero Trust would have stopped them by continuously verifying their identity and limiting their movement. Zero Trust isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity in 2024. Let's break down the 5 key pillars of Zero Trust security. Every user must prove their identity using tools like multi-factor authentication, MFA. Passwords alone are no longer enough. Devices must meet security standards before accessing the network. This prevents compromised devices from causing breaches. Users should only get access to what they need, no more, no less. This limits the damage if an account gets hacked. Think of it as locking every door inside a building. If one area gets breached, the attacker can't move freely across the network. Using AI and analytics, Zero Trust monitors user behavior to spot suspicious activities in real time. These pillars work together to create an environment where trust is earned, not given. So, how do you actually implement Zero Trust in your organization? Let's simplify it into 5 steps. First, identify your assets. Start by mapping out your data, users, and devices. Know what you need to protect. Second, enforce identity verification. Implement identity and access management, IAM, tools like Okta or Azure AD to verify users securely. Third, deploy MFA and device security. Add multi-factor authentication and ensure devices meet security standards before granting access. Fourth, segment your network. Use tools like microsegmentation to isolate workloads and limit lateral movement. Fifth, monitor and automate. Deploy monitoring tools like Palo Alto or CrowdStrike to spot anomalies and automate threat responses. Now, let's address some common myths about Zero Trust. First, Zero Trust means no trust at all. False. It's about verifying trust continuously, not eliminating it. Second, it's only for large companies. Wrong again. Small businesses can implement Zero Trust tools affordably and gain massive protection. Third, it's too complex. While it may seem complicated, implementing it step by step makes Zero Trust achievable for any organization. So, Zero Trust security is about verifying identities, securing devices, and continuously monitoring your systems. In today's cyber landscape, it's not just an option, it's essential. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on cybersecurity trends and solutions, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Let me know in the comments, what cybersecurity topics do you want me to cover next?